back to channel. Back to the tutorial from Python. Today I'm going to show the interesting project, a simple project called that is how to make KBC, that is Quizgame in Python. One so also been on the teach and everyone. So this is a project where I explain the basic things. We are not going to use a TK or anything. The at last the project consists of below 200 lines only. So before going that program project, you know the basically that is first of all you have to create a new Python file, then make a list of questions, then also make a list of answer options and what are options for the audience as well as the participants. Then we can implement a random function so that every time when a user plays a game, he can or she can get a new random questions from list of questions. So now, whenever the user or participant say the right answer, it move to the second one. Again, we keep on move the uh, fourth question and so on. So whenever the user answer the correct answer, yes, and also the question should not be applied again. That's the condition here. So correct answer given is what? The question amount is added to the total amount. For example, 5,000 is the next question right, it will be added as 5,000. 5 plus 5, 10,000 added in the user account. So as of we can use technically we can use a while loop and check the condition. That means whether he is properly showing the question or even random function is used to put the question or not, and able to give the correct answer and so on. So whenever possible, user can withdraw the thing or stop the quit the game and come out. This is general things. When you go for the phone breakup, let's move on the other screen for the coding. I'm going to use a Pycharm. It's a program. Definitely, if you are beginner in the Python useful. First of all, you got to import the model called random and time. Then we got to use the for I in change of 80. Then we go to give time dot sleep of function. Then I go to the print and give the title for the quiz that is called welcome to phone Baranga like that. Then we again use the for loop, then print statement, then go to enter name. The details once the program is completed, the user can enter the like enter the name and let's it will give the option of let's start the game. Then the questions will be there like who is the Prime Minister of India and the answers will be there and wrong answers also will be noted here. So attempt question of what? So user can enter either A option or B option or C option or D option. Then count will be 0, 1 and the amount will be 0 initially. Then it check whether the two conditions or not and select question either you can give random dot choice of questions and then keep on going for the select option. If the answer is correct, it goes in next question and add the amount. So we are going to do all the option list and option list or not and wrong answer not. So once you give condition wrong answer also, you can withdraw and stop that. Here you can stop the gap here. Then again is append for this very important for add the new item. That means the user saying the first question on the right, then the can go for next question. Second, then it will be the option of adding the third question with amount also. So you can give all the display option and option display. Then keep on going for the program whether it is display or not. So append A. So we're going to give random dot as option list. So again we give the conditions as of in the starting of the program and so like that we are keep on going. Yeah. So so whether all the parameters taken here and right answer. So correct answer A. It will select it to go for the another option B, another option C, and go for another right answer B. Then we can go amount win. So once the user start person give the right answer to amount win. Second question on the time. Again after 3 seconds it say the amount win like that. Then the question will be ordered and show in the screen. Again you give the time please time just for 3 seconds. Yeah. So again, it is option of like the question, select question. You should have able to see the next question in the screen and keep on going the right answer. So once count is there, so probably in this simple project we are giving the around 10 questions, the user can successfully answer. Once the question count reaches the maximum limit, it will keep on going that 16,000, 18,000 like that. And you can go for amount, it will plus say congratulations, you won the game like that. Then you want how much amount, whether it's 40,000 or 20,000 or 50,000. So keep on going on the amount based on the else wrong answer is there, it will deduct the amount and same amount will be repeated. So the simple program we are just importing the model, random time, and we are going to use a for loop and also attempt the questions with the answers and the wrong answer as well as the right answer and user able to the If this is the answer. So let's go for the render program. So as you know, already through the here render program. So I'm just called wrong. Then I asking further information of the silicon. So it's asking how much when zero initially. So it's showing big path scene. So complete and one. For the correct option asking, I'm just giving this option D. That's the right answer basically. Yeah. So it's the right answer. It's saying the option of 1,000 rupees. Then how many megabytes? So this right answer is I hope the D. So I'm selecting the option D. Yeah. So now amount is added 1,000. So it becomes 2,000 and asking the that question answer. So I'm going to give the answer of B now. So yes, this is also right answer. And founder Apple is saying. So I have to give the C. When you the right answer, it will keep on yes. Congratulations saying. So I like that we can keep on give the options, select the answers and go for the options here. Let's give the answer of what is the question. So just giving A, just check it. So yes, this is also right answer. So at last wrong answer. At last I'm the participant on the amount of 10,000. So keep on trying. If you want to can quit again and give the try to answer the following questions. So I hope that you understand how to make own finance property simple program with help of Pycharm. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with the friends.